Hi, I'm Bobby Gosarkar with Juniper Networks, and I'd like to introduce you to the new EX series Ethernet switches. These compact, standards-based platforms deliver a new class of network infrastructure for today's high-performance enterprises and public sector organizations. Designed for access and aggregation layer deployments in branch offices, corporate headquarters, and data centers, the EX3200 and the EX4200 series switches provide the foundation for fast, secure, and reliable networking. The EX4200 series switches combine the high availability of traditional chassis-based systems with the economics and flexibility of stackable systems. Both 24 and 48 port platforms are available, providing standards-based 10, 100, 1000 base T connectivity. A 24-port fiber version is also available for aggregation and core deployments. Standards-based Power over Ethernet delivers up to 15.4 watts of Class 3 PoE per port to support today's converged data, voice, and video networks. Both full and partial PoE options are available, so you don't pay for technology you don't need. The EX4200 series switches also offer front panel uplinks that are modular for connecting to aggregation switches or upstream routers. These optional hot swappable uplink modules offer either 4 gigabit Ethernet or two 10 gigabit Ethernet ports and can be added at any time, providing a cost-effective upgrade that lowers your total cost of network ownership. What makes the EX4200 series truly unique, however, is Juniper's virtual chassis technology, which allows up to 10 switches to be interconnected as a single logical device. That means a single software image with a single config file and a single IP address. The switches are interconnected over a high-speed 128 gigabit per second backplane using these virtual chassis ports, ensuring line rate non-blocking performance. The virtual chassis technology also works over the front panel 10 gig uplinks, allowing you to create a virtual chassis with switches on different floors or even in different buildings. The EX4200 series switches include chassis-like high availability features such as redundant, hot swappable power supplies as you see here. Optional high wattage power supplies are also available for full PoE environments. And the hot swappable fan tray includes 3 blowers, only 2 of which are needed to cool the switch in normal operations. In a virtual chassis configuration, the switches automatically elect master and backup routing engines to maintain the hardware forwarding table and routing protocol states. In the unlikely event of a master switch failure, graceful route engine switchover ensures the backup switch takes over immediately to maintain continuous operations. Now, the EX3200 series switches are similar to the EX4200, offering flexible, standalone Layer 2 and Layer 3 switching for low-density branch or remote offices, or small LAN segments in larger networks. The EX3200 series switches offer the same 24 and 48 port 10, 100, 1000 base T options with full and partial PoE, as well as modular gig and 10 gig uplinks. In the back, the EX3200 series switches feature a modular field replaceable power supply and a fan unit, making repairs quick and easy. An external redundant power supply is also available for high availability environments. All EX series switches run the time-tested and field-proven Junos software, the same software used by Juniper routers, which power the world's largest networks. That means that for the first time, the EX series switches bring carrier-class performance and reliability to the enterprise. When it comes to managing the EX series switches, 3 options are available. The JWeb user interface for device-level configuration, monitoring, troubleshooting, and system maintenance. The Network and Security Manager application extends JWeb's capabilities to also include network-level fault, configuration, and performance monitoring. Finally, the EX series switches can also be managed by third-party platforms such as HP OpenView, IBM Tivoli NetView, CA Unicenter, and EMC Smarts, providing a consolidated view of network operations, offering high-performance, high-density platforms that combine the best of both stackable and modular switching. The EX series advances the economics of networking, letting you invest more in strategic and revenue-generating initiatives. For more information about the EX series switches, please visit www.juniper.net and click on Switching. Thanks for watching.